while on land. And that's a fine demonstration. How about a round of applause for Sila and Frank? And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out.
Wow.
So flexible, right? How about a round of applause for Sila and Frank? As you can see, their body is covered with a thin coat of short coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. That's why. Hey! Animals use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to take vibration from prey in the water, and their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the water surface. Sea lions and marine animals can see both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit water